Hello, friends, and welcome to The Architecture Enthusiast. Kilian Ignaz Dientzenhofer, 1689-1751, a key figure in the Baroque architectural movement, was a Czech-German architect celebrated for his dynamic and theatrical designs that transformed Central Europe's architectural landscape. As the son of Christoph Dientzenhofer, a renowned Baroque architect, Kilian Ignaz inherited a rich architectural tradition and refined it into a distinct style characterized by bold compositions, dramatic spatial arrangements, and meticulous attention to detail. His work, predominantly found in Bohemia, stands as a testament to the Baroque ideals of grandeur, movement, and spiritual transcendence. Dientzenhofer's architectural principles were deeply rooted in the Baroque pursuit of dynamic forms and the interplay of light and shadow to evoke emotional and spiritual responses. His buildings often feature complex, curvilinear plans and facades that appear to undulate with energy, a hallmark of late Baroque architecture. These designs break away from static, rectilinear conventions, creating a sense of movement and vitality. The strategic use of curves, both convex and concave, imbues his structures with a rhythmic elegance that draws the eye across their surfaces, guiding the viewer through an orchestrated visual experience. A defining element of Dientzenhofer's work is his mastery of spatial drama. His interiors are designed to inspire awe and devotion, with soaring ceilings, intricate vaulting, and grand domes that seem to defy gravity. He employed sophisticated engineering techniques to achieve these effects, creating spaces that feel simultaneously immense and harmonious. Dientzenhofer understood the Baroque principle that architecture should not only shelter, but also elevate, shaping his designs to reflect divine order and the transcendence of the human spirit. Dientzenhofer's use of light is another cornerstone of his architectural philosophy. By carefully positioning windows, often hidden within intricate detailing, he manipulated natural light to illuminate specific areas of his interiors, emphasizing key architectural features such as altars, domes, or ornamental frescoes. This interplay of light and shadow not only enhanced the visual impact of his buildings, but also reinforced their spiritual purpose, symbolizing divine presence and grace. Materiality and ornamentation in Dientzenhofer's work reflect the richness of the Baroque aesthetic. He combined a variety of materials including stone, stucco, and gilding to create textures that added depth and visual interest to his designs. Elaborate decorative programs, often featuring sculptures, frescoes, and intricate carvings, served both to beautify his structures and to communicate religious narratives and allegories. These elements were seamlessly integrated into the architectural fabric, making them an intrinsic part of the spatial experience rather than mere embellishments. Context also played a vital role in Dientzenhofer's architectural approach. Many of his works were ecclesiastical, and he designed them with an acute sensitivity to their spiritual and communal significance. His churches often served as focal points within their urban or rural settings, creating landmarks that not only defined the physical landscape, but also reinforced cultural and religious identity. Dientzenhofer's architecture embodies the Baroque ideal of Gesamtkunstwerk, or the total work of art, where every element, from structural design to decoration, contributes to a cohesive and immersive experience. His buildings are not merely functional or aesthetic, but are deeply expressive, communicating themes of power, devotion, and the sublime. Despite the passage of centuries, Kilian Ignaz Dientzenhofer's work remains a cornerstone of Baroque architecture, celebrated for its bold innovation, spiritual resonance, and technical mastery. His legacy is a reminder of architecture's potential to transcend utility, becoming a medium for storytelling, inspiration, and the elevation of the human spirit.